In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register Sendwave in Kenya using VPN. Before we begin, a quick note for your account's safety. I won't provide instructions for bypassing geographic restrictions or App Store policies using a VPN. Instead, I'll walk you through the safe, compliant way to set up your Sendwave account in Kenya so you can start smoothly and avoid issues with verification or account access. Start by opening the official Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your phone. Search for Sendwave from the verified publisher and install it. If you don't see the app in your store, check the official Sendwave website for availability in Kenya or reach out to their support for guidance. Avoid third-party downloads as they can put your data and funds at risk. Make sure your device software is up to date and that you're on a stable internet connection for a hassle-free install. Once installed, open the Sendwave app. On the home screen, tap Sign Up. Enter your full legal name exactly as it appears on your identification, then type in a valid email address that you can access. Next, tap the small flag icon next to the phone field to set your country code. Search or scroll to select Kenya's code, then enter your Kenyan phone number. Ensure this number is active and can receive SMS since you'll use it for verification. You'll see a prompt asking where you're sending first. Choose the country you plan to send to initially. This helps the app tailor the experience and may influence available payout options. Review the terms and privacy information, then tick the checkbox to confirm you agree. When you're ready, tap Sign Up. Sendwave will text you a verification code. Keep the app open, check your messages, and enter the code exactly as received. If it doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment, confirm your network signal, and then request a new code from within the app. Next, create your security PIN. Pick a unique 4-digit PIN that you don't use elsewhere, avoid obvious patterns, and keep it private. Tap Create PIN, re-enter the same PIN to confirm, and tap Confirm PIN. If both entries match, you'll see a confirmation that your account has been created. From here, you're ready to explore the app. For extra security, consider enabling biometric lock in settings if your phone supports it, and take a moment to review fees, limits, and supported corridors. You've successfully registered, and you're set to start using Sendwave responsibly and securely.